Good morning, ABA.
My name is Hsur.
And I'm Kaung Kin.
We are from grade 4 Tiger Sharks.
Are you ready for today's English word of the day?
I'm ready. Today's English word of the day is colorful. Let's spell it together. C-O-L-O-R-F-U-L. Great job.
Now everyone repeat after me. Colorful. Colorful. Colorful.
What does colorful mean?
Colorful means having many bright and different colors.
Here's an example sentence. The colorful rainbow looked beautiful in the sky. Let's say it together part by part. The colorful rainbow looks beautiful in the sky. One more time, louder this time. The colorful rainbow look beautiful in the sky.
That's right. The world is more fun and exciting when it is colorful.
Thank you, everyone.
Keep learning,
Keep learning new words
and have a colorful day.